Hello, my name is Rob Mammone. I'm the ECS Product Specialist for igus Inc. North America. I would like to welcome you to our virtual trade show booth here in Rumford, Rhode Island. I would like to talk about some of our gliding solutions that we may have for you. First is our Guide Fast system, which is generally used in our indoor overhead cranes or any type of application that is mounted on the side. It does utilize our 1500, 2500, and 2700 series. Next, I'd like to talk about our other gliding solutions, where it's a two-piece trough system that utilizes our E2 series or our E4-1 series. With our E4 chains, we have the ability to incorporate our smart plastics. With our ECB, we can help prevent catastrophic failures, and with our ECP, we can monitor the push-pull forces throughout the lifetime of a system. If you're interested in learning more about our smart plastics or our gliding solutions, please reach out to our territory sales managers or send us a message at the email address below. My name is Rob Mammone, and thank you very much for your time.